the boss. 4. Yeah, that's the. Yeah, you should be.
What's next?
Okay, we got. Oh, where are we at? We're on 4-8. That's still the boss. Waiting on 3-8, 407. Okay, here we go. Boom.
Yep. There's one flat. Yeah.
That should be Venom. That's Venom going off now. Scaring the hell out of those bluegills. That's detonator. Whoa, that didn't go. That was a dud. Okay, here comes Half Crazy. This is the best one. Go, 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 go. Yeah, I love these. It's my favorite cake. That's Half Crazy.
What's it?
I guess we're up to Mad Dog. 416. Yep, that's Mad Dog. And we're at the Hitman right now. And then we're gonna go to Mindbender. Get a little too close for comfort. Mindbender.
It's in your face.
That's Mindbender going up right now.
We're not any closer than any other year.
No, we're not. These just seem to be okay. This is Blitzkrieg going off now. There goes the spinning wheel. should be. Two. There goes the grand finale fountain. Okay, we're down to here. Now it's going to get hot and heavy.
Going.
Now it's really over.
All right.
Paul, where you go?
Yeah, I'm right here, man. Yeah, it was
did
good.
it?
Good run.
We did
Was it only jump start that didn't fire?
Yep.
Everything else seemed pretty
Everything
good.
else fired.
That's awesome, man. Well done. Fuck you.
Colonel, we got a fire. Colonel, we got a fire. Actually, I'm probably fire as usual. No fire extinguisher. I bet Paul just belly flopped on it and put the fire out. He's not wearing his pyrotechnic shirt. Yeah.
Don't you're break the chair.
That's the problem. You can flip me. You sit in the regular one so I can flip you in it?
No.
You can flip me. What the hell?
No, sir.
Oh, you're big ass.
Don't you mean what the hell, Yante?
What the helly? What the what the hell? What the helly? What the Halle Berry? What the Hellyante? What the Halle Burton?
Why do you hate me?
Because.
He does, oh my gosh. He's Kronk. He's Kronk, yeah.
What?
Patrick Warburton is Kronk.
Encore! Oh my god, I'm good.
What do you say?
It's encore, I called it.
Encore, very nice. Woo!
Oh wow. Somehow you guys were safer over there. That'll do it.
Yeah, everything except for one cake and that little bit right there didn't fire. I mean, everything else
I
fired.
don't know how you guys are safe over there. What are the things aimed over here?
What's a cake?
Cake of those big boxes. You,
Oh,
you
gotcha.
buy like a whole it's just like a show in a box kind of thing.
Gotcha. Are you cake?
No cake. The cake's a lie though.
Oh, the cake is alive.
Oh.
Yeah, don't walk in the box. Sorry.
No.
They're blinding me.
Is it still?
You did that on purpose?
No.
I'm sorry.
Paul did.
Yeah. You think Paul did it on purpose?
Oh, no, he did. No, he did.
Okay.
Definitely did.
Of course, that.
Yeah, he stopped. It was just suddenly right.